Hello, this is Jeff Kelly, and in this video, I am going to talk about how you can now file bankruptcy from the comfort of your home. One of the very few good things that has come out of the COVID-19 pandemic crisis is that you can now get a case filed without leaving your house, without having to come to court. And this is really good because in the past, with schedules, work schedules, kid schedules, a lot of people had trouble coming into the office and sitting down and physically getting documents signed. And then the court hearing, the way it worked in the past was, you'd have to stand in, a decently long line with the security guard and get scanned before you go into court. And then you'd have to sit in a small room and you'd have to hear your name called at the roll call, and you might sit in that small room for an hour while other people did their hearings. Well, with this COVID-19 pandemic, all that has changed. Now we can, without ever leaving your house, you can get the case filed. And without ever leaving your house, you can actually complete your court hearing requirement as well. That should continue until October. I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen after that. Personally, I'm hoping that this is going to remain permanent. So here's how it all works. The first step is the initial consultation. And unlike many of the big, large firms from Atlanta, you will actually get to talk with an attorney and not just a legal assistant at your initial consultation. What we're going to do is we're going to go through your income, we're going to go through your budget. We want to make sure that Chapter 13 or Chapter 7 is actually a decent option for you. So, in some cases, it's not a good option. We're going to shoot straight. We're going to be up front with you. We're going to tell you. Take a look at our Google reviews. We've got a lot of them, and they're good. And the reason they're good is because my attorneys and my staff treat people really well. We've got a great team of people here. So let's say you go through this initial consultation, you look at everything, it all lines up well, and you want to move on to the next step. Well, the next step is it's going to be the sign appointment where you're going to review the papers that are going to get filed with the court. And this process will typically take about 2 hours. Again, you're going to be talking with an attorney who's going to go through that with you page by page. And we can use a program called Zoom, and we can do a screen share with you. So you can use your laptop and you can look at every single page of this petition. And once you say, fantastic, you got it all covered, go, then we can file it with the court. We're going to print out a hard copy, mail you the hard copy. We're going to need you to sign it and mail it back to us. And that's going to take care of getting your case filed and overall comply with these rules. Next step after that is going to be your court hearing. Again, that's over the telephone. So you can actually get your case filed, get court protection, get these creditors off your back without having to leave your home. You can make the payment to get your case filed with a debit card over the phone as well. If you've got any questions about this at all, give me a call, 770-881-8449. If you haven't had a chance to yet, go to my main webpage, www.kellycanhelp.com, and download a book that I've written on Chapter 13 and Chapter 7. And I've also got podcasts if you want to download those as well at kellybankruptcy.com. I look forward to meeting you, and I thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.